He ain't talked about enough. You know what I'm saying? In terms of rapping. Niggas fuck with his music because it's relatable. But I'm saying, like, do we niggas be like, that nigga Kevin Gates really can rap? Niggas really don't say that. You know what I'm saying? At least I don't hear that. You know what I'm saying? And it should be said because he really can he really can rap, bro. YouTube today, we got Kevin Gates, Renni, Rucci, boat to Virginia. All right, man. So look, honestly, I ain't gonna lie. Anything that Kevin Gates put out there to the world, it kind of do numbers, bro. That Plug Daughter came out 5 months ago. Plug Daughter 2, and it got 32 million views. Cartel Swag, 10 mil. This song, 6 days ago, 1.2 mil. Kaza, 101K. That's on sale. Big Gangsta, 2 months ago, 5.5 million. You know what I'm saying? But it says right here, Big Gangsta, the audio came out 2 years ago. It got 108 million. Look, man, let's just get right into it, man. Oh yeah, Renni Rucci bad. Just want to make sure I say that.
I sent a load of a chain. I took a boat of a chain. I took a boat of a chain. I sent a load of a chain. I took a boat of a chain. I know you remember. I took a boat of a chain. I took a boat of a chain. Bad bitch shopping out in Tyson's corner. How could you forget it? Sunnyside Cafe in Baltimore. I know you remember. I took a boat of a chain. I took a boat of a chain. Alexandria in the project. I post up and I get it. Columbia Pike 18 was about to unload in a minute.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna say this. I fuck with how Kevin Gates done completely just rejuvenated his whole look, his whole style, man. Got really, you know what I'm saying, he more healthier, you know what I'm saying. I like that, bro. I like when nigga taking care of his body. I always say, like, you can never really say you care about your body to the fullest if you don't build it, if you don't take care of it. I feel like he's definitely embodied that statement, man. He's taking care of his body. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it shows too, man. You know what I'm saying? His music is a harder, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with it. I fuck with it, man. You can tell he's happier too.
I took a boat of Virginia. I took a boat of Virginia. I took a boat. Have you ever been criticized for nothing? Have you ever been penalized for assumptions? I done been canceled. I done been muted by the whole industry. I done said fucking. Got a few metric ton laws coming in. I've been running under the touch. I got a bitch out of South Carolina. I done been throwing that dick in her stomach. Everyone making my music recording. That been important. Spending my time on that. B taught me how to recompress a block. Working a 5-ton jack. Sometimes I feel myself slipping back into depression. I don't mind reminiscing about past relationships, going to stress. Got a lot of love in the street, but that won't make the bitch you won't be grateful. God sent me a new situation, just want you to know that she amazing. Being reflective, we sit and we talk. Deep meditation, she healing my scars. She got an idea that I'm still dealing raw. She got an idea that I get in my feelings. Sometimes when I'm chilling, I'm feeling no wall. She got an idea that I'm still affiliated with the mafia. I'm driving the car. She got an idea that
I feel like he's very, like he ain't talked about enough. You know what I'm saying, in terms of rapping. Niggas fuck with his music because it's relatable. But I'm saying, like, do we niggas be like, that nigga Kevin Gates really can rap? Niggas really don't say that. You know what I'm saying? At least I don't hear that. You know what I'm saying? And it should be said because he really can really can rap, bro. Yeah, Renni Rucci bad.
I know you remember. I took a boat of Virginia. I took a boat of Virginia. Alexandria in the project. I post up and I get it. Columbia Pike 18 was about to unload in a minute. I saw the load of Virginia. I saw the load of Virginia. Go to play in Southeast DC. Then I took a boat of Virginia.
Nigga, ain't he great? I'm working out, I've been getting in shape. I ain't really one for dropping names. I just know his last name run away. Escalade, backing up to the gate. Because of him, I get a brick up his face. We up in B-Town. Airbnb and he finna D me down. His ex won't beef now. But I'm from the streets and I really put heat down. I put a parking pass in the car. I took a flight coming back tomorrow. I took a red eye from Atlanta. Picked up in the red eye with a hammer. He got me face down in the mattress. Get on the Greyhound with a package.
Yeah.
My waist now with his package. I pour 8 down in the family. My voice sounding kinda raspy. I got some ball players won't get at me. I ain't got time for them. I can stab this 448, weigh it up and bag it. I ain't going back and forth by the ad. Just put 1,000 on more control.
I took a boat of Virginia.
Yeah, she's straight.
I took a boat of Virginia.
It could be just because I'm so distracted. I mean, that could be what it is. But yeah, she's straight. She's straight.
Tyson's corner. How could you forget it? Sunnyside Cafe in Baltimore. I know you remember. I took a boat of Virginia. I took a boat of Virginia. Alexandria in the project. I post up and I get it. Columbia load to Virginia. I took a load to Virginia. Go to play South East DC, then I took a boat to Virginia.
Yeah, this was cool, man. Wait.
But 2 wrongs don't make a right. I get it on.
Wow, this nigga Kevin Gates just singing. It's pretty much over. I'm gonna stop it right there. Look, like I said, man, niggas don't give Buddy credit for, like, you know what I'm saying? He really low-key can rap, dog. Like, he really can. Maybe it's just his flow, too. That could be it, too. It could be just his flow and the way he do it instead of his actually being able to rap. That plays a major role, too. She bad, though. She's hard. She's hard. This is Bulldog TV, man. No, definitely download, definitely check mark for sure, man. I'm gonna stop it right there. See you guys later.